What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of OK Fishing. Today we're doing something a little bit different. We are not at a pond, not fishing for bass, but we're back in a little creek that runs behind my house. I have a little jig head tied on. We're just gonna try and find some worms. Use as bait. I got a minnow trap in the creek right there. If you guys see it, there it is. But we're trying. Basically, I have an aquarium at my house that I caught some yesterday that I have in there right now that are little green sunfish and bluegill. But the goal today is to catch either a creek chub. Oh my god, that's a turtle. That's a turtle. Hold up. Alright, guys, first one of the day is a little green sunfish on that tiny jig head and worm. There's a ton right down there. We'll put him back in the water. I don't really. Hey! He's a little big for the tank. But there's the minnow trap, still at work. Might go down that way, try and catch some more. I don't know, I'll update you guys if I catch any more. I just found a giant night crawler still crawling around over there. Alright, I'll update you guys if I catch any more. Here. Look at that, right there. Alright, I'm gonna try and. Is he alive? Wait. The heck? It's just a turtle shell. Oh, what is that? Oh, is that his neck? Ooh, a hearing got him. Dead. That's rough. Alright, well, we're gonna try and catch some fish for my aquarium. Goal is to catch a creek chub and a bass today. A little tiny, little midget bass. See if we can't catch anything. Alright, well, I haven't caught anything else other than that first fish. But we're gonna check the fish trap. There's still bread sitting in it. So I'm wondering if anything got into it. That or the bluegill are just so small that they can't eat all that bread. So yeah, let's go check that. Thorns. Here, fish, fishies. Here, fish, fishies. Oh, that's big. Oh my god. That's the best I've ever done. Alright, well, I'm coming over there. Ah. Oh, crap. Alright. So this is the best I've ever done. Yeah, I'm gonna cut this open. And we're gonna get into what's in here. Alright, that's the perfect tripod. Alright. Well, let's see. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 fish in here. Oh, I was wrong. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 6 fish, 4 tadpoles. Unfortunately, we're going for creek chubs or tiny. Oh my god, I'm sorry, guys. Okay, well, let me throw them all in the old basket here. Dude, you're tiny. And that guy. Alright. So, here is everything we got. All in there. Have a big old bluegill. That's perfect. Perfect catfish bait right there. I'll try and lip him so you guys can see him better. There, I'm lipping a bluegill. Perfect catfish bait. Another size bluegill, which this is like pretty much all what my ones in my house are. Actually, he's just a little bit bigger than them. That's him right there. It's two tiny bluegill. Where are you, dude? Come here. There's him. Camera can pick him up. He is tiny. And then not one, but two. Two big old bullfrog tadpoles. One, two. Alright, let's get these guys back in the water. Two small dudes, big dude, small, mediocre dude, and then those two guys. Bullfrogs. One, two. Look at him, just chilling. Big bluegill, small bluegill, tiny bluegill, micro bluegill, mediocre bluegill. There they all go. Sweet. There is the, oh, there goes that big old bluegill. He's a big fella. There's that one tadpole right there. Just chilling. Alright, well, I'm gonna go try and catch some bass. I gotta go get a bucket first. Okay, well, so instead of catching that bass, a bass from my aquarium, I did not go, I actually didn't go fishing for one because it was so cold, but, so today's Wednesday, I filmed this Monday, Tuesday I had a baseball game, no, today's Thursday. Yesterday I had surgery, so I'm home today, still recovering. Surgery was weird. I rolled a clip of me after surgery.
We'll go to Florida and catch big bass. Okay?
Yeah, so I was pretty doped up. Something that someone from Ohio would say, but I think I'm gonna go check the fish trap. I haven't checked it in a couple days. I'm gonna go see what's in it. Alright, well, only catch, unfortunately, was a nice little green sunfish. Just getting back in the water. Oh god, there's a water snake. Chilling. Right there. There. Look at him. Ooh, let's try and catch him. Well, I just woke up Saturday. Last night, Josiah texted me. He said, I just caught a bass to be a good size for your tank. I have a 50-gallon tank. It's about halfway full. I set it up. Everything's ready. I had a couple bluegill in from Minnow Trap. Look at the bass he caught. Josiah wants to... You know, it looks amazing in this tank, and it can stay in there a while. It's just too big. We gotta go catch a smaller bass. So, I'm gonna grab the bucket and head to the pond to try and catch a smaller one. Until we do, he's gonna stay in here. So, don't hate on me in the comments. I've just been trying all week to make this video. This video is literally taking me all week. Plus, I've had surgery this week, and that's kind of taken me out of it. Kind of proud of that laydown I just made with tape and sticks. Alright, well, let's go to the pond and try and get some rocks some big rocks, and whatever else we can find for this Larry the Largemouth. Alright guys, that's going to do it for today. I'm making this outro as I edit it because lo and behold, like I normally do, I don't film an outro. So go follow the Instagram, OK_Bassin06. There you guys go. Catch you guys on the next one, and hopefully next episode we get the golden dink. Peace.